So today I'm on my way to sound check. I have a show coming up tomorrow and we're doing sound check today. Bitch, get moved. The fuck? I swear, people don't be looking both ways before they cross the street, and it really grinds my gears. I want to vlog more, like when I'm actually doing things. The vlogs might not be like that continuous, and I just will probably just start and stop once I'm actually doing stuff. The show tomorrow basically is gonna be an album release party for Kaibani. He is a dope. If you like turn Travis Scotty type of music, then bitch, are you looking at me? The fuck? If you like that kind of like just like like you want a mosh pit type of music, definitely check him out. He is dropping his album tomorrow and it has bangers on it. My favorite two is Yahoo asking, Yahoo asking. I don't even know how to imitate it. It's just the beat goes hard, and he produces his own beats too. So if you guys are looking for a dope San Diego young ting producer, hit him up for show, because these beats, they bang. I haven't been to a sound check in a long time. Most people don't be sound checking shit, so this is already a good sign. That's gonna be an amazing show. You know what song is stuck in my head? Sometimes I look like Beyonce, sometimes I look like Celie.
Sometimes I look like Beyonce, and sometimes I look like Celie.
That shit is stuck in my head.
Pushing on that pedal, I ain't pushing P. You be trying to talk to me, your game, and that shit is weed. You be in the streets and I am outside, traveling. Hella cold outside, up in my bed is where you wanna be.
I like all this shit just from my wealth, I do this from my health. My little,
yeah, I'll try not to get you. Or the smoke.
My motherfucking books, like my walk is. I love this mic.
No, I like this
mic. By myself and I carry them trees.
I don't even know what you're saying, but this is way louder than you were just for me, you know?
Fucking this damn money a little bit, I'ma deal with the bread. Fucking this money up, nigga, I'm giving back shots to the bag. Yeah. I work too hard for niggas to fucking brag. Yeah. Barbers and brats, barbers and brats, barbers and brats. Barbers and brats, barbers and brats, barbers and brats. Barbers and brats, barbers and brats. Barbers and brats, barbers and brats, barbers and brats. I just get niggas talking and dancing. I follow these fingers, I want to understand it. I know my shit. I know my shit. I know my shit. I'm going on my shit. I'm going on my shit.
Okay, shawty got some cake, okay. There's no debate, okay. Watch out for the fade, okay. Dream on face to face, okay. Rounds game, okay. I had a pose, no relation. Get up on it! Campus on plate, you finna lay. Heard money's in the bread and they get on the way. Shawty hot air, ain't speaking, she a bag of fucking land. I ain't do bullshit, man going to penetrate, man.
I'm gonna drop till I drop. And niggas know me, I'm a G. I'm smoking on gas, I can't even see nothing. And you already know the next thing that is discussion. I'm gonna pull them up, cause it's a discussion.
With no words. I'm trying to keep on my phone. I was like, oh shit, I gotta nail it. Oh shit. I was back to back. That's the first guy. You guys got this. It's gonna be amazing.
Won't you hold me closer? Here's the thing. I'm only getting older. Time is always too high to know you are falling down. Time is always too high to know you are worth the fight. Now let's get it right. I don't put it overtime. This is out of line. No interest in any strike. contigo, pero no soy confiado en ti, porque siempre tú estás trabajando con tus amigos. I want you to dance with me.
But the boats are roll. Voice with my voice, that's protocol. Live like this, but won't pay the toll. Yeah, I get paid over. Yeah, how did I call it? Don't call me that down, run roll it. Y'all don't know Dakota. Yeah, oh, she is talk like dollar signs, 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 dollar signs.
Well, that was a success. Honestly, I'm recording just in case I get kidnapped. Ooh, the ghetto.
The ghetto.
Where's my car at? The show is tomorrow, so I'll be recording tomorrow as well. What the hell? What you doing over there? Well, since you're here, I'll give a little update. So yesterday was the sound check, and I forgot. I have studio time today. I'm gonna be going back to the Beat Den with BZ Beats. So I do have a show today with Kaivani. His album is dropping, and then next week I have Mosh Madness at North Park at Queen Bee's. So for that event, I'm working with D Mills, or Mills for short. We're working on a new song. Also have O'Shea on there, but he's a producer from Memphis. We're doing like a little collab thing. So I'm gonna go get that mix and master so it can be ready for the show next week. It's gonna be next week Thursday. And this is a 4-day weekend. Gotta hurry up and get it together. You know, you gotta start off with a little bit of cardio. Whoa, am I from LA or what? Pork decor. Yeah, just getting some cardio in. Cardio helps with stamina, like when you're performing and stuff, so you're not so out of breath, and you know, try to have control and whatnot. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get a little workout in every day. But yeah, I'll just bring you guys along to the studio later, and then to the show later. And then I also have a video shoot tomorrow with Skins, a bunch of Dago artists hopped on a cypher, so we're gonna do the video shoot for that tomorrow. Yeah.
Me down, demons steady praying on me, feasting on me, hit me down. God Almighty with me now, the only one to hold it down.
That makes a little more sense.
But you see, like when I said the only one to hold it down and cut the beat.
Alright, so we'll start with let's start at the beginning first.
I woke up, I'm getting older, discernment getting stronger. Niggas playing on my head, how that shit won't go for longer. Gonna get
I guess.
Hold your peace after I pull the piece out. Give a fuck by the fall.
Oh, there's another one on.
Well, because it goes in.
After I pull the piece out. Give a fuck.
I don't give a fuck about it all.
After I pull the piece out. Give a fuck.
Should that be an album?
I don't mind.
Slow me down.
I get it. Took time to see the vision and image of what's been missing. No clinic, can't live the spirits of where ancestors living. Ain't no limit. I need a witness, undivided attention, common interest, and body friction sipping. Water whipping my vehicle around the city. Hit me coming from a distance. Who's in need of my assistance? I'm always a call away, any time of the night and day. Any up to who die away. I'm delayed to a higher place.
Pushing right, sleep inside and not that nigga gon' slow me down. Please protect my soul to rest before I go and lay me down. Him steady praying on me, feasting on me, hit me down. God Almighty with me now, the only one to hold it down. Pushing right and sleep inside and not that nigga gon' slow me down. Please protect my soul to rest before I go and lay me down. Him steady praying on me, feasting on me, hit me down. God Almighty with me now, the only one to hold it down.
Have any ideas for like coming into the second hook, like anything with the beat? I don't know if like a
Maybe like a filter?
Yeah, like a filter suite.
Coming in? Like half of it? Or like before it?
Or maybe before it, while he's rapping.
Yeah, let's do like
Okay.
Waves plugins are like
Oh, that's a person.
No. Waves is the brand.
Oh.
The plugin brand, and then in Waves you have like all kinds of plugins. Like there's like hundreds, like all the sauces. It's like a bundle. You know? So that's what I've been using.
Always a call away, any time of the night and day. Any up to who die away. I'm delayed to a higher place. Always a call away, any time need of my assistance. I'm always a call away. And
something like that. That's kind of cool. And then maybe take it out right here.
I'm always a who's in need of my assistance. I'm always a call away, any time of the night and day. Any up to who die away. I'm delayed to a higher place.
Pushing right and sleeping.
Put it back on. I don't know.
Let me hear it again.
Always a
because I think there's already a filter here.
friction sipping, water whipping my vehicle around the city. Hit me coming from a distance. Who's in need of my assistance? I'm always a call away, any time of the night and day. Any up to who die away. I'm delayed to a higher place.
Pushing right and sleep inside and not that nigga gon' slow me down. Please protect my soul. The only thing that I know is pushing right and sleep inside and not that nigga gon' slow me down. Please protect my soul to rest before I go and lay me down. Demons steady praying on me, feasting on me, hear me down. God Almighty with me now, the only one to hold it down. Pushing right and sleep inside and not that nigga gon' slow me down. Please protect my. I woke up, I'm getting older, determined, getting stronger. Niggas playing on my head top, that shit gon' go for longer.
I get it. Took time to see the vision and image of what's been missing. No clinic can live the spirits of where ancestors living. Ain't no limit. I need a witness, undivided attention, common interest, and body.
Can you hear that?
Yeah, it was like a high frequency.
I get it. Took time to see the vision and image of what's been missing. No clinic can live the spirits of where ancestors living. Ain't no. I get it. Took time to see the vision and image of what's been missing. No clinic can live the spirits of where ancestors living. Ain't no limit. I need a witness, undivided attention, common interest, and body friction sipping.
What do you call that?
Shit, I don't even know. Like, I can't even tell you that.
I'm trying to hear what you're talking about.
It sounds like a it's almost like a feedback noise on his voice. Or I don't know if that's like the high frequency. It sounds like his voice.
I get it. Took
Like
time
that.
to see the
That.
That part?
Yeah, I get it. Took time to see the vision and image of what's
talking.
Yeah, I get it. Took time to see the vision and image of
Oh, it's the hi-hats, I think.
These motherfuckers are crazy.
That's what it sounds like.
It's like it's like a when he's like I get it. It's like it sounds like a high speed.
I get it. Took time to
Oh yeah, that's the hi-hats. It's right here.
Oh, that's that clashing with it or something? Or?
Not that. Not those hats.
Play his single his vocals. Maybe it's just like.
Yeah, I get it. Took time to see the vision and image of what's been missing.
Oh, there's a pop. You hear it?
No, not the.
Time to see the vision and image. Yeah, I get it. Took time to see the vision and image
it's almost like a ribbon, like a frog ribbon.
What?
Yeah, I get it. Took time to see the vision and image.
Oh.
You don't hear it?
I don't.
Am I tripping?
I don't really hear it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to listen.
Yeah, I get it. Took time to see the.
You don't hear that? You don't hear that? It sounds like a whistling.
I get it. Took time to see the vision and.
Oh, I do hear that. I hear it now.
Do you?
I close my eyes.
Do you?
Oh my god!
Seriously, it's right here. It's literally right here.
I get it. Took time to see the.
Right there.
Yeah.
That was.
But you can also hear it in the other part too. But that's the noise I'm hearing.
I hear it. Let's see if we can fix that. Oh, it's this right here.
Time to see the.
That.
There's a lot of number of things it could be. It could be like a bad frequency. It could be like
Yeah, I
some
think
feedback.
that's.
There's a number of things that it could be.
I get it. Took time to see the vision and.
Oh, it's still there. I don't know. It sounds like some sort of feedback though, or some kind of mic, like
Yeah, maybe that's.
like peak or something.
I get it. Took time to see the vision and image of what's been missing. No clinic can lift the spirits.
It's only 2 times it happens.
Yeah.
I hear it though. You're not crazy.
Okay.
You're not crazy.
Okay. If it's.
I get it. Took time to see the vision and image of what's been missing. No clinic can.
Though, like I don't think that's a compressor, right?
Nah, it's because it's already compressed, but it's just in there. It's in there. That's why.
It's in there.
Like,
It's fine. It's fine.
like-
That's error on my part then.
No, it's like. And then turn this guy on.
I'm getting older, discernment getting stronger. Niggas playing on my head top, that shit gon' go. Niggas playing on my head top. Discernment getting stronger. Niggas playing on my head top, that shit gon' go for low. I woke up, I'm getting older, discernment getting stronger. Niggas playing on my head top, that shit gon' go for longer.
Better. I moved the low over to the right too a little bit, so it's even.
I'm getting stronger, niggas playing on my head top. That shit gon' go for longer, gonna get it off your.
Me do it by myself, nigga. Know I don't even say it, but they could come with me. I don't wanna fuck with the bitches, she ain't got money. She said she gon' give me hundreds and the 50. You know that I keep it on me, never keep less than the 30. Nigga talking like I'm one step back on the 3 like I'm Curry. She said I can stick it in, but I don't wanna hurt it. Then she a swear. I ain't gonna kill a bitch, but I think I'm a murder. Y'all for real, and I stay back like my name's Shaquille. Nigga, no, I'm up in the pain what I was saying, bro.
Good production, bro, he heading to destructions. He ain't been for eyes, can't take tonight, and niggas I ain't trusting. Back he shot and climbed the liquor high, was good at party jumping. She been around the block for friends of ours, so ain't no damn discussion. Repercussion for the bluffing, isolated everyone, I did that shit for nothing. Like when the blunt or the J, prescriptive pain, lead away, I'm too nauseous anyway. Tina with tequila shot, I'm the shot of heavyweight. It just a fake, just got some fake. Adderall and alcohol, it just a taste. Can't let my guard down just in case. What's wrong with me? 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 What's wrong with me?
Performer goes by the name of C13. I don't think I'm right. I mean tracking. C13 in the flesh. Y'all not ready?
Let's go. Let's go.
This first song is about Fishing Me. Pushing on that pedal, I'm pushing me. You be trying to talk to me, your game, and that shit's weak. You be in the streets and I get outside, traveling. Hella cold outside, and in my bed is where you wanna be. What you say, nigga? Baby, like what you doing, getting paid, nigga. I don't want to bed, nigga. Days, nigga. Yeah, I'm moving like a boss, so the bad, nigga. You was sleeping on me, I don't wanna talk. You was in my time, I'm not your car, just know I'm in love. I just overrun it, right up off the parking lot. I got too much going on and I want you to take it off. Are you feeling me? Pretty personality. Up and out the country where I would try to be. Oh, you want me to see you need a hand free. Cause I ain't dropping no dollars. She remain me smart. Cause they think they the prize. Only two they mamas. They wanna be shot callers. This shit can show me something. Cause they you are the only one. Pushing on that pedal, I'm pushing key. You be trying to talk to me, your game, and that shit's weak. You be in the streets and I get outside and traveling. Look all outside and in my face, where you wanna be? What you saying, nigga? Let me like what you doing, getting paid, nigga. I ain't went to bed in a few days, nigga. Yeah, I'm moving like a boss on the bed, nigga. On my timeline, but you gon' keep on with the words alright. Don't worry, I'm calm, I'm gon' get mine. Don't rush, you know everything takes time. What you thinking when you fucking over the time? Ain't no fucking even got it right here. Ain't no showing bricks, tell you ain't showing me where I'm that. I'm starting to get back, I know how to think go. Couldn't take accountability, blame it on the ego. Left me in the time and need a hot school. Said you wasn't leaving me, you brought it to school. And I'm so bad, smashed it, fell out. Lord knows I would've stayed, ain't no tab now. Didn't care when you fucking with me for the time. I was out your big up, thinking without a doubt. But you showed me different. You ain't no real nigga. You always on bullshit. There ain't no real one. All I love is this. Fuck out my head. Fuck out my business. No love for these hoes. No love for these hoes. share, cause you say, turning on. How you doing? Yeah, it's really nice to meet ya. Gotta keep it pushing cause I really wanna be there now. Got me sounding like an onomatopoeia. Got a low, got a blast, cause my heart is on the meter. California chicken, man, there ain't nothing to play with. Why you fighting red, man, there ain't nothing to say with. Working on the low, figuring out how to get rich. Fuck around and get signed like Christian. It's ain't about the bag, I don't know what that means to you. If you ain't talking money, then I just don't know what to do. I think you on red, if you haven't got a clue, I'm all about my paper. I like my money blue, so where you wanna go? Getting them stacks can't get me in the mood. And I have the attitude, it's to be real cute. You don't want the other guy to take away from you. Keep it looking on the stacks, ay, 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 ay. West side, west side. Looking as if you really down to ride. West side, west side. Looking as if you really down to ride. Ay, two-step, ay, two-step, 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 drop it low, ay, drop it low, ay, drop it low, ay, ay. Wake up in the morning, now open up my Boombox Ba, me hella dry, just having my luck. Gotta keep the blood, cause these niggas like it. Keep it thuggin' on the West Coast. Wake up in the morning and I open up my for me hella dry, just having my luck. Gotta keep it blood, cause these niggas like it. Keep it thuggin' on the West Coast. Ever since I was a little girl, I always knew that I would rule the world. My pockets was going so undeserved. I kept it pushing like a bomb on the curb. I ain't a sheep, I don't follow the herd. C13, that's your daddy didn't hurt. My son born and it's out of the farm. Turn the water like you're in a pot. I was this bitches bring up the simmons like babies like you single. Don't there's a way we got married some money, my only career. If you ain't supposed to start popping my shit, it's like bubblegum. Money than me with some liquor, it's troublesome. Why I'm not talking my bubble, I'm bubble. Cause I expect that you go wait on it. I was just humble and down for that. If we for shows, I'm thinking like, when I go shopping, I be like, this is no competition, this ain't losing control like this to me. I gotta feed my wrong. No one to leave, but they're gonna find that fish next up. Get crazy, go dumb. Get crazy, go dumb. Get drunk, go stupid. Get crazy, go dumb. Get drunk, go stupid. Get crazy, go dumb. Get drunk, go stupid. Don't care about none of y'all hoes and then y'all haters, really don't bother me. Don't care about none of y'all hoes and then y'all haters, really don't bother me. Don't care about none of y'all hoes and then y'all haters, really don't bother me.
Words, bro. This is from my album, Boombox Ba, out everywhere now. Every song got a $sign in it, so the Basquiat got a $sign in it. Let's go. Everybody push up on me, let's go. I'm playing through the whole album, it's 9 songs, 20 minutes, lose it with me. Beeswax. Go. Unrealistic. That's not gonna go. Get shit, hold on. Hey, come on. Unrealistic. The way I get shit. Hey, come back there, pull up. Look. Unrealistic. The way I kick shit. Do a spin on a dick. Do a kick flip. I like 3Ks like some million strip. Hey, get on. But I'm a mystic. Yesterday she let me in when I put a mystic. I'm on it. Why you so freaky? Young nigga, my Beeswax, mind your business. I'm gonna trip on them because the same. You got the cinnamon. Like cinnamon. Oh, yo, oh, yeah, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling Pussy, I can't listen to no more happy. If I can say look at you, girls, you handy. And if you look at you, talk to you, nasty. I finally said that I wanted to stand me. Sassy man, apocalypse, so I'm gonna talk my shit, okay? Let me top the sock, but get stopped when I stop you, bitch, okay? Give me look like hostages, I feel like reality, cause the odds is they won't stop this shit, I'm gonna talk my shit. 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 I'm gonna walk 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 my shit. I'm gonna talk my shit. I'm gonna talk my shit. I'm done. I'm gonna talk my shit. 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 Knock it over your dick. Shut your mother. Knock it over your dick. Shut your mother. Knock it over your dick. Shut your mother. I'm gonna make some money. Do the pitch. Bobbies and rats. Bobbies and rats. Bobbies and rats. You know. Bobbies and rats. Bobbies and rats. Bobbies and rats. You know. Bobbies and rats. Bobbies and rats. Bobbies and rats. Yes. Bobbies and rats. Bobbies and rats. Bobbies and rats. Fuck you niggas, fuck you hoes, fuck you always. That's my favorite, it's that pretty high, I love you always. High as fuck, in the air, going far away. I already know it, shawty said you were through my mind all day. I blocked you, baby, please don't take it in the wrong way. I'm the type of nigga, gotta deal with shit my whole way. You done fuck my whole day, but now I'm lonely. Cause I what these hoes say. You record on the camera, we ask me to dance for a day. I'm doing this thing on my face. I'm a last man in space. I'm a killer man for the cake. I'm a killer man for the yeah, I'm baby bitch, baby bitch, baby bitch. Baby, say this bitch, say this bitch, say this. Look, shout out my body, shout out my body, shout out my body, shout out my body. You know say what y'all body, fake ass bitch, can't say my body. Walk in the day, gon' be somebody. Baby, we don't need no dollar signs, dollar signs, dollar signs, dollar signs, dollar signs. Thank you to the DJ. Thank you to Ghosty, Angels Avatar, C13. We're going to be doing more shit like this, y'all, because I'm producing for hella niggas, I'm telling you. So we're going to have hella album releases, hella stuff pulling up more people. We're going to get better and better at this. I appreciate y'all pulling up for the first one. Real love. Thank you so much.
Y'all missed it. It was so funny. The DJ was like, oh, what song should I put on the story? Because I want to post this. And she added all of our ats. And then I was like, oh, who's asking? She was like, oh, me. I'm like, no, I'm talking about this song. Who's asking?
Hey, who asking? Hey, ooh, is you him? Who asking? Yeah, is you rich? Who asking? Okay, do you keep a blick? Who asking? Okay, do you got your shawty whip? Who asking? Yeah.